A dripping faucet, an ever-running toilet. The sounds alone are irritating, but each drip, each swish represents pennies, which add up to dollars. Homeowners with tiny leaks on their property are losing hundreds of dollars each year in water usage, not to mention flushing away one of our most precious resources. The City of Dallas has prepared a series of do-it-yourself videos to show people step-by-step how to do repairs or improvements at home to save water and money. Each video can be found on the city's website, www.savedallaswater.com/videos, and the videos lay out the tools, supplies, and steps to slow your water meter, slash your water bill, and eliminate leaks or water wasters you may think you can't solve without an expensive plumber visit. Check out our videos at www.savedallaswater.com/videos and take charge of your home. And remember, always save water. Nothing can replace it. This public service announcement is brought to you by the City of Dallas Water Utilities.